Hi everyone, this Ramadan is coming. You need in this Ramadan pray from Allah. This verse finish from our cute little heart. Please pray too much and too much and too much. And you need to stay home. If you go out, far away or close, if you go close in your house or like in the park, you need to wear your safety things. I tell you which: gloves, face mask, and take some sanitizer also and glasses also. If you need the far away, go very far, so you need a full suit like white fat dress, white fat pant, white any color shoes, but it will be fat. Okay, shoes will be fast, and we need a big glasses. Everybody do good deeds and fasting and prayers, and remember it's in your prayers. Ramzan Mubarak. Bye bye. Stay home and be safe. Don't go outside from the virus. Bye bye. Love you all. Bye.